Hello friends, today in this second video of series WordPress Basic Learning, we will learn some more settings to your site. If you watch my first video, so we created this free completely website with domain free and free hosting. Now we will cover all things here. So firstly we will see my site. It's wordpress.com and log in with your Gmail and Facebook or email ID and create your site. And if you are new, so please check my description link. You will find this first tutorial of this WordPress learning series. So let's start in this second video. Now guys, here is the your WordPress name, like webnotestutorial.wordpress.com. Here you can check status, how many view you have. So all things you will find status and insights about your site, daily, weekly, month or year, followers, email followers and invites. It's mean you can invite anyone which one accept, so it will be your follower for this website. When you post anything, so your all followers will get a notification. So here you can see traffic because it's a new site, so just I have the one view I created today and one visitor, no like and no comments, but day by day it will change as we know. And here status for the particular date, post and pages we just created, so only home page, search term and countries. Here you will see all countries, all visitors from where, so you can check your visitors and you can know where your site in world is famous and popular. File downloads, if you have any file and people have to download, so here you will see numbers, clicks on your sites, refers, like you share your post on Facebook, so anybody visit your site via Facebook, so it will be a referral. Authors, here your information and videos. So these all things you will find here in this status, all information about your website. Insights, some more, as you can see, record how many visitors is most in the year you get. You will see number of views, likes and comments. You will see follower via email, via social and in WordPress. Follower list, most popular day and hour. So it's a today day because we created today. All time post, here you will see how many posts in your site, visitors, views, comments and post. So guys, all record as we realize you will find here about your site, so you can get best decision about your site. Now let's upgrade, and we will talk later in some advanced video how can you upgrade your this free hosting site and what's benefit you will get. So we will discuss in next videos. Now here inbox, like as we know, WhatsApp inbox, email inbox, so it's WordPress inbox. Any important messages you will get, so you will see here. 1 minute, I need to charge my laptop. And guys, it's paid plan. Its feature is not free. When you see upgrade, so it's a mean it's a this feature is not free. You need to upgrade. So we will cover these all things in advanced videos. So 5 to 10 videos will be basic, and after 10 videos will advance. And hopefully if you follow and you see and watch all videos, so you will know everything about WordPress. Now here is the post, all posts, new post and category and tags. So you can check all posts. We published before 3 posts, and actually when you create new site, so 3 posts will be inbuilt publish, as we have some added device Android or phone, and we have some application inbuilt. Without download we open, so we will find some application. So like you will find these all posts inbuilt, we can say inbuilt. Okay, draft, schedule and trust means when you deleted any post, so it will store in trust. Schedule means like you want to publish your post in some particular date, so you can set schedule option and you can use. It's the useful, like you can schedule 1 month post every day. One article will be published automatically as your schedule. And in drafts, like you want to type any article and you don't need to publish immediately, so just you leave in draft. So once you are ready, so you can publish your post. So in post, this is the all post information. Now if you want to post a new, so click on add new post. And this is the important things, because after website created you need to post articles, videos or anything. So just you need click new post. Now wait couple of second. It's depending on your internet speed, how your internet is working. So guys, you will see this interface, add title, and you need to select some blocks. So guys, this video is long and we will cover how to type post on WordPress in third video. Till here, today we discussed some basic and important information like status and all posts and new post, and how to create a new post properly. So I will cover these all things in third video. So stay tuned and thanks for watching. If you have any queries, so please comment and please support my channel, so you will find a useful and latest videos to your directly inbox as a notification. So thanks again for watching and please continue to learn WordPress.